Hi, my name is Lucinda. Today we are doing a 15-minute massage focusing on the upper neck and chest on our lovely model Aubrey. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, today we're going to be doing some upper neck and chest work on our lovely model Aubrey. We're going to start with the neck and just loosening everything up here. I'm just going to scan the body with my fingers. Connect our energy. If you want to go ahead and take a couple deep breaths there, Aubrey, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Again. And one more. So we're just feeling for any congestion and using a light to maybe a little more so medium, moderate pressure. Just kind of smoothing over those, trying to get them to release. And if you just want to keep breathing, Audrey, and get that oxygen into the muscles. So there's little congestion in the occipitals. I'm going to just nicely turn her to the side and go a little bit deeper. We're going to smooth out through the levator scapula. Bring that down into the scalenes here. And from there, we're gonna take it one step further. We're just gonna do a little stretch out. So I'm gonna have you turn your head as far as you can. Yep. And take a deep breath in. I'm gonna hold the shoulder down with my other hand and slowly come across towards me as you exhale, Aubrey. Good. Keep coming all the way across. Good. We're gonna do that 3 more times. So I just have my fingers kind of just raking across, loosening everything up with some cross fiber friction this way. I can breathe in and exhale. Good. One more. back to neutral. And from here we can just kind of give a little pull, and I'll just relax. Okay, I'm just gonna gently. And then we, of course, would do that on the other side. And now we're going to focus more so on opening up through the chest, which is really good, like for runners, or if you've been sick, there's so much RSV, bronchitis, any of that upper respiratory kind of stuff going around. Or, I mean, yeah, if you work on a computer, driving a mouse all the time, it really tightens up the chest, as well as driving, pretty much anything we do. So I'm gonna have you go ahead and scoot your head up into the head crust here, Aubrey, which we already preset beforehand to see where we need it adjusted to. Okay. And we're just gonna go in here. So we're gonna go about medium to deep, releasing the muscles through the pectorals. If your client is comfortable enough, you could always do like draping down to about the sternum and work your way slightly out through the breast, obviously just to here or so, and release all that. It's a very tender area though, yeah, so obviously start light pressure and work to maybe medium through that area. And we're just gonna go through the scalenes and really open that up as well. So just getting in there, working deep, opening up those bronchioles. Strip on down through the neck. To the termini. 10 little presses, little lymphatic drainage here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And without only like the pressure that you would apply like to a tomato. And you can also work like the sternocleidomastoid from this point as well. Yep, I want to lift up one sec. This muscle right here, as you can see. And go ahead and relax. So to get in there, I just have her take a deep breath in and out. And gently just kind of pinch and release that, trigger point that. And so working in there helps with TMJ. It also helps with like migraines. If you are a tummy sleeper, you're definitely going to need some work in that area, or if you snore. And of course back behind here too, it's a lot of lymphatic drainage and sinus area to release all around the ear. And we're just looking to free up this whole area. And we're just going to smooth out through here. And we'll go ahead and even out the other side as well. So we're going to turn a little. Thank you. And breathe in. And out. the center. Good. And just kind of go back over everything that we've done, recheck, make sure everything's nice, loose, and relaxed. All those knots are gone. And we can re-stretch as well. Deep breath in. And out. Good. And that concludes our upper neck and chest massage today. Thanks. Thank you so much for practicing with me. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please check out Patreon, where you can find our exclusive library. Can't wait to see you there.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Techqniues, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Techqniues. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.